Hello again everyone! It's another day for our pack opening of Scarlet and Violet Stellar Crown. So gusto ko sana araw-araw nagbubukas nito pero hindi kaya ng budget kaya once in a week lang. I'm going to use scissor today. It's hard to open. Ganun din pala, mas mahirap pa. Yep. Hindi naiwan pa.
Cold card na ito.
I think sa code card, naiwan yung code card. Yeah, the code card. So it belong to my brother. Not for me. I don't need.
Sa bago.
Okay. Okay, this one. That will be a fire energy. Whoa, that's a fire energy. I never. This will be a Charizard. Hopefully, a Charizard. Yes. A basic fire energy. Are you again? Oh, Bliploom. Yeah, we already have that. Oh, clink, 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 clink. A rusty metal gear. Hoto!
Parang wala pa. Dapat ako.
Okay. We already have. Celebi. We already have that. Oh! Wala pa.
Meron.
Wala, lantern. A lantern fish.
Screw it.
Yeah, I think, hindi, yung EX na nakuha natin kahapon yun.
Hindi, sa ano, minder.
Okay, you already have in your mind. So, Rudolph.
Meron na rin.
Yeah, already have it. Oh, Glufin.
Bago sa dime.
Yeah, it's a reversal Glufin. I think we don't have any.
Ay, regular EX.
Oh, another hit
Regular
for the
EX.
first time.
Ano?
Yeah, for the first time, it's another EX.
Ah, regular EX.
Yeah, same like the other one, but still, and we'll already have it. We already have it. Yeah, Hydrapol. We already have this one, but this one is a great card. The last time we have a little damage from the eye. Yes. So this one is good. Hydrapol, yeah. He's saying Hydra. Saying hi to us. Hydrapol. I'm hoping to get your full art, not you. You are not one of a kind. But still we get a hit.
Barong pa rin.